The second overtone of an open organ pipe has the same frequency as the first overtone of a closed pipe L meter long. What will be the length of the open pipe? It is given that the second overtone of an open organ pipe has the same frequency as the first overtone of a closed organ pipe of length L. Let us find the frequencies of overtones. For open organ pipe, the fundamental frequency F1 of an open pipe of length L open is given by F1 equals V by 2 into length of open organ pipe. The second overtone, that is the third harmonic, has a frequency F open equals 3F1, that is equal to 3V by 2 into L open. For a closed organ pipe, the fundamental frequency F1 dash of a closed pipe of length L is given by F1 dash equals V by 4L. The first overtone, that is the third harmonic, has a frequency F closed equals 3F1 dash, that is equal to 3V by 4L. Now let us equate the frequencies. We get 3V by 2L open equals 3V by 4L. On simplifying, we get 1 by 2L open equals 1 by 4L. That is nothing but 1 by L open equals 1 by 2L, or L open equals 2L. Thus, the length of the open organ pipe is 2L. So, the correct answer is option D.